Hello. Welcome to our channel, Mathematics Resource Center. Pause the video, read through the question, and we are ready to begin when you are. The square root of 181 lies between. Okay, so for the solution, we're going to find a square number that is less than 181, perfect square number, and a square number greater than 181. So the one that is right below 181 and the one that is right above 181. So the square number that is right below 181 would be 169, and the square number that would be right above 181 is 196. Now let's just find the square root of 169. The square root of 169 is 13, and the square root of 196 is 14. Hence, the square root of 181 lies between 13 and 14, which makes our answer A. And that brings us to the end of our video. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.